Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this week's video we're going to take a look at the DLR. DLR stands for Docklands Light Railway and is, as the name says, connecting the Docklands with the centre of London. Our little trip starts at London's City Airport, to be specific at the Royal Albert Station, and will end at Tower gateways near the Tower of London and the famous Tower Bridge.
Erst aussteigen lassen. Ja, lass uns noch nach vorne. Ja.
A little look out to the history of DLR. The DLR was opened in 1987 and started its service with German tram cars, but those units were sailed back to Germany in the early 90s, where they were used at the Essen U-Bahn. Since 1991, Bombardier built the current rolling stock. There are 149 units consisting of 2 cars, assembled to a 2 or 3 unit train. These trains run automatic, without a designated driver's cab. But there's always staff on the train to make announcements, watch if everybody got off and on safely, and could take over the manual controls if something went wrong. The DLR is part of the Transport for London ticket system, but there are no ticket gates like in other stations from underground and so on. So you have to make sure to look out for these bodies to tap in or out. Otherwise, you will get a fine. But now, let's enjoy some views from the rear end of the DLR.
international rail services. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Ja, ist Endstation. Aber wir sind noch nicht da. Bleib noch sitzen.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next week. Have a good one.